A carbide burr tool is a fundamental instrument in cylinder head porting because it allows engine builders and performance technicians to precisely reshape, smooth, and optimize the intake and exhaust ports within a cylinder head. These ports are responsible for directing air and fuel mixture into the combustion chamber and expelling exhaust gases after combustion, and their shape, surface quality, and size have a direct impact on engine efficiency and power output. Using a carbide burr tool attached to a high-speed die grinder, the operator can carefully remove material from cast aluminum or iron cylinder heads, gradually enlarging and refining the ports to improve airflow characteristics. The aggressive cutting ability of the carbide burr tool makes it especially effective for removing casting imperfections, ridges, and restrictions that are commonly found in factory cylinder heads. During the porting process, a carbide burr tool is used to reshape the intake and exhaust runners to create a smoother and more efficient airflow path. By carefully grinding and blending the internal surfaces, sharp turns, rough textures, and sudden changes in port geometry can be reduced or eliminated. This helps air and exhaust gases move more freely through the engine, reducing turbulence and increasing volumetric efficiency. Improved airflow allows the engine to burn fuel more effectively, which can result in increased horsepower, better throttle response, and improved overall performance. The carbide burr tool also enables precise control, allowing the technician to remove small amounts of material at a time while maintaining consistent port dimensions and avoiding over-reshaping that could negatively affect engine performance. A carbide burr tool is particularly valuable in performance tuning because different engine designs require different porting strategies.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.